Deque, that is double Q. That is some operation of the Q is double. That is, we know that Deque maintain two types of operation, FIFO and LIFO. That is first in, first out of the Q. The Q maintain first in, first out, and Deque maintain first in, first out, also last in, first out. LIFO. FIFO and LIFO. FIFO, when one queue, that is the one end is entering point, another end is existing point. In case of the double queue, both end, enter and exit also performing. So LIFO and FIFO, two types of relation, two types of operation is contained, is also marching at the double queue, DQ operation. Why DQ is required? Deque is required. Deque is properly possible in such cases where the redo or undo or some operation repeatedly required in some systems. Cache, that is some recently occurred some operation, but it required repeatedly. That time the redo, that is undo and redo operation is required. For this purpose, Deque also required. Deque to support this operation very essentially. And this operation DQ is very good in other sense. That is, when any such operation or CPU is exhausting its capacity or CPU is no work, then CPU needs some work. Its work is taking from the other parts, other operation, other CPU. That is in case of the distributed management system. It is occurring. That is some operation CPU already is exhausting its memory. Then this memory is sharing to the other CPU. Then this DQ operation, DQ system is very essential. But in other cases, when DQ on a CPU has no operation in hand, that is out of work, then CPU asks some work from other CPU. In this purpose, the DQ is very essential format, essential customs, essential architecture to accept the data from that, to accept the work from other CPU. In this both purpose, the DQ is very essential, and DQ and this means double Q, and D only normal Q. That is Q means FIFO, but DQ means LIFO plus FIFO. Thank you.